Listen, I have 3 new songs come out, you know. I put in the hard work. I'm very talented and full of energy. Good morning, DJ, what? One original, what? Yeah, man, I talk my mind and my truth. I'm a train my back now. I'm not mislead people and pretend I'm pretty up nothing for me. People feel like all is well, and then when I go and people I say, what do it there? I'm going to feel like myself.
Nice, my baby, you know, I love how you look there.
Thank you.
You're sweet.
I don't
You're
see
sweet.
that way argument.
Yeah?
I don't see.
Yeah, man. I hear a new song, them, man, yeah?
Yes, man. Yeah.
Yeah, inbox, yeah.
All right, darling. Bye.
All right.
Now, Queen Lady Gangster, everything for do with me, I'm a CM name. Queen Lady Gangster, that's my YouTube page. Everything. You understand? Because I've been through a journey, and I did it with me step by step, ins and outs, and I see me trying, so much disrespect my tech. Me not see them in a man I promise no longer. No, sir. I come take live. You can't talk to me about you have to take live for explain. Well, what Jeep and my rent man have to do there? Money me I make. Everybody's sucked up in them own way. I give the man a next chance. I work on a chicken magic. I foolishness I just come take life for he's a lowest comeback. And it's the truth. I'm sick and tired of you, man. Leave me alone. Forgot about me. Yeah, explain to internet. You should be ashamed of yourself. You walk about 3-piece 31 connect when you can't have a civilized conversation with your wife. That is so bad. How low is you have a big, bad British worldwide wife? And you get up every minute and run out and catch a people yard. You and kill this man, Ryle Shan. Shan, I tell you about she see me a man at Jamaica, at airport. Stinking Shan. You and do come beat me. Dirty Shan. We not gonna lick out Sade Battle. Stop carrying my name and do it sit down and chat me. With your man right say if you don't know if you want a woman or you're a man. You're not disrespectful, some are disrespectful. Are you help boots him tell him about you there at airport and you and do your best and you do it up on the phone more than me. Yeah? And you see me at airport and you not talk to me, you gotta tell do about you. Me never hide. Me never ask long as thing for send for me. Me I work. But you want to make excuse and you come and explain about car. What car are we rent with car? When yeah, the man did shut up the car, but me give him a next chance because him come with the money. What car have to do with the disrespect where you get to me and the humiliation? And the force for your force to show say you can't done me. You can't done me do it. Not even if you're born all over again. You hear that? Me done for true. Me not sing a song play with him no more. You know how much cuss no fame? You know how much cuss no fame? You know how much one more my composure and soul me spit? Me no want that. Me too good for you. You not deserve me. You hear that? You not deserve me a inch. You not give God thanks for the prosperity you reach in a life. You blow up from nowhere, blow up so fast. Everybody love you. All when them not love you, just the fact that me love you. You get back that love of your hype. Me not tired of myself. Me know me have my people that must support me. That's why I speak my truth. I mean, I do not shame face and they got sit down and then him whisper in my ears and just fuck, give me some little dark fuck and then eat me back again. You just get to a little come and then love me alright. Yeah, man, me too good for him. Him not deserve me. Me don't tell him lifestyle a while I'm him love again. Give man him friend them time. You soon see them maybe through my talk. I don't have no loyalty and no stability. He's not for me, baby. He's my enemy, man. You do it too often, man. Him not caring now. You see all of this now? It's sweet to me now. Yeah, man. Me ask about me can't be disgraced and the man be disgraced. If you notice, sometimes he put some little code on him page, and I say, what man does that? Yeah, put code on page your wife or you live with. Only party. Of course, may I divorce him. May I divorce him. Me no want that the marriage. Me. Me glad say me all purpose to say me no want that the marriage, my love. Me no know who could have changed my mind. Me. Me alone get up and try a fighter. Who you? Your man can be your biggest enemy. He is my biggest enemy. He is not can. He is. He is my biggest enemy. You see the stupid thing them when pick up and I have me a fight not make no sense. Say man my enemy. Because I'm not seeing no quality and no good in me. All in the world I run me down. Sometimes I say, but you have a big platform for yourself because I could have work. And I like how you make me famous and how you put me where me there. Me done fan lie already, I'm a queen. And I think me a joke. Me not a joke. Just attack. Just attack and I don't want to sit down and think. At 5 days now, I sit down and think now. From Sunday night, today was Friday. From Sunday we come from Portland. I run up and down every minute here. What kind of life that? Nobody never beg you ask me married to me. All that. You run play like you're a man. Boy, yeah, ask for married. Me give you time on top of time for your grow as a husband. For you respect yourself. You don't have no respect for yourself. You talk about me not have no respect. Me not respect nobody when I respect me. That's just about me. Respect myself. There's a difference. You don't respect yourself. If me and you argue, me and the work, we have argument, and I say, do we have your work uniform? Crazy, me not care. Crazy, me not care. You not care about nothing. Me not want you. Me not want a man who not care about nothing at all. You can't go to the lowest pit and you're empty. Me not do no emptiness, my love. My cup half full. Yeah, so I think my old to me right crazy them. So I couldn't know I am single. I mean, I want nobody feel like so them can't join to me and look. I mean, I want nobody either. Who me forget it to happen naturally. I mean, no, I go married again. Yeah, any amount of time till I get somebody who will take care of me and stand by me. All when the people them a cuss me and do me nothing. Do a business with me or they hug me up and then sit and me around with him and love him up. Send so much love. Bless him, do him. What I gonna do without do his song? Then the song not still the same way. That I do it. It don't make no difference. It's just metaphor. You understand? Me just the speaker for the girl them. So when still I got phone to do it, that don't mean to say true, me not have phone to do it. Me just use do it for represent for the rest of the ladies. Song still the song at least a problem. I have a career in front of me and you say me look how I work how hard for reach so far. My husband don't want nothing to do with it. I say I'm sick. I may have to choose. You understand? He doesn't want anything to do with it. I mean, I go force him. I mean, I go make him hold my back. You understand me? Yeah, him want, I'm going to tell him I know what doing it in me. When Sikaram take on the song, I'm going to get the rhythm from JB. I said to do it, say, make me hear the back a song together. Because him defeats the two away. And do it vex. Tell me I could go back and say to him, so why you want to do a single song by yourself? And say, yes, him want to do. So nothing wrong, you know. But when I tell you, this is all I want to draw to my conclusion and say, this is enough now. This man no want to do nothing with me, no want to build no future with me, no want to do nothing with me. And just that's what I say, do it, you're different. You understand me? Me alone for run up and down in the world now and do it, me have to do it. I have a husband, I look fame, I look attention, and I look links, but him have it all with me. So what that tell me? He does not care. Yeah, him say want him own a song. So me I like explain to him, say, remember, I may your boss, me is one. The man defeat me and you, so I think it's right for me and you put out a song with me and you. And then you do go by your one. Them say no one him song by him own. The song with me and him do for a wedding. Queenie love the fuck one, but make a kid and you'd have never seen him dance it and promote it. Not studying. But because I get up and just running and jumping out of the basket, so I'm not stay, so. So I stay and watch him. I'm see no changes I make. And now I'm reach where him there now, man. Him friend them where they I tell him none of them no big like me. Me I tell you say the man be penny wise and pound foolish. You understand that? Him a vex or a penny and him have the big 20 million pound. That's my husband. It's horrible. So because him is like that, all right, look on that him come on live. You not talk to me. But the moment me give alert now, you come and declare to the world what you want to declare. And you talk about Jeep, when I rent man. What does that have to do with my dignity and my stability and how you deal with me around my kids and my family? One person get up and behave like that among so much people. Yeah, disrespect so much people indirect. But you come and explain about Van and Brent, man. I'm your dads. And I'm not lie, Dewey. You don't do nothing. You're not businessman. You're not somebody who maintain nothing, not interested in nothing. So me have to be wise. So the man come and rent it. And him did pop out something and never fix it. Me have to give and take a business as a business go. You understand? You're rude doing. Yeah. Mr. People I say, me not like do it cleaning and I say do it. The way your baby can print. Oh, me not give a shit to no where were them use? Crazy, me not care them, me give me care zero. That's the word. So just get up on my to a woman and you don't care nothing about Mr. Dewey. Remember, so me never look in at Dewey. I preach to the man, I talk to the man every angles. Ask him if he ever get nobody to talk to me yet. No, he just never talk against me. He never one day try to get a meeting, get one pastor, get some counseling. Nobody and me alone bear that. I don't want that anymore. I'm not going to sit here and mislead my ladies them. We're there for me. We stand by me. The whole way I go through something. Say me you want to share my something with you know. It's all right. My good. My hype. You know hype I'm no longer do it. Pistol tail do it. You know hype I'm no longer. You hear that? When they ready to show up and tell me about your mama will mind you. You're a big 33, 2-year-old man, I got 33 years, and then you got to tell me I have ambition. Yeah, your wife have been life together. You know, pay bills, you know, pay water rate, you know, pay light bill, you know, pay council tax, you know, pay car insurance, you know, pay a car ticket where you get. Go, baby, I'm on the phone, give me up. You know, me no want to. Love you. Yeah, so when I'm ready, them come, I'm not stop them. I'm here. Yeah, man, enough. Man, I will not joke with you. I feel like the world is a big and wide for the whole away. You hear that? Boy, you come talk about me tell you say bad man and for know it see them. Oh, it's a feel me you did you find me for peace of mystery you see me about. That is cheap. That is petty, immature and childish. And that you mash up your life for and feel good. You never want me, you never like me, you never care about me, you hate me. Till I me pity them involved and you still there road and feel justified on yourself. I call me and tell me no come back to England, me no go up today now. Calls. My son will come next week Friday. Good luck to you and your son. I hope you know if you give him the love and the respect what you not give me. You hear that? Words hurt, everything hurt. And I just work, I action work hurt to everything hurt. Life is pain. When you have somebody who don't stand up to you and stand up with you and stand up against you, it's horrible. I hear them and look out to them. Me hurting me hurt me. That's not the point here. It's a disrespect and they don't care. And then you paint a picture like say, you tell me the rent car. So 3.5 talk for rent car. You vexing me and I stand up as a man. You work with all different kind of people. You work with lesbian, you work with Batman, you work with bisexual, you work with car. When you know the feel of nursing. You know the feel of nursing. It teaches you to care about people. So if it's even for that 4 months that you've been working, you should have learned something. You work with white people. You should have learned something. All you want to do is show off for me here Monday. Me have my job. Who make you get the job? I know you make me get the job, crazy. I have to say that man I need help. And my husband and him need help. And me can't help him, so me I walk away. Ever read what? We not doing nothing. We just a habit. I'm sorry for him, it's true, but I can't help him. So maybe when I can't help him, when I not take it light, I'm trying everywhere. Yeah, my nurse. If first man do work, do we get care for the week, month, second, third. I'm proud of him. I'm tell him congratulations, I'm dead for him. Anything me did, I say, well done, husband, my cute husband, and nice. Boy, business with me. I take him so calm. Be a girl want me, every girl want me. No, every girl don't want you. Some of them I play with you. The one them I want you don't even get the chance to have you. Those, I know you don't have no relationship. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong so you have somebody to take up your pieces and stand by you. Prove me wrong. You don't have nobody to stand by you. Because your med's not right. And if a girl is constructive by them reason with them to say, you chat shit. Sometimes I say, Queen, you're great. You look how you fall in love with this man for free. I said, nothing. That's why I love him. I don't like him take care of me and care about me. The happiest thing I can't think about me and the way I know are the rampings with me and him. Life freeze. Yeah, man up, man. You have the wrong impression of husband. You understand me? And me and I'm a wedding and I'm a marriage. You not try. I mean, no, so Jamaican youth, them a hustle and them try and them a go getter. You just sit down easy. You understand me? Fix up yourself, my husband. I tell you all the while, some area I give people advice. Oh, no. Me come at Jamaica. I know me can't see through it, you know. And you gotta say me a link them in a something. Because I'm going to link car. Me never see nothing no sickening, so me as a sturdy woman. Where I walk around and say one man to me good way, you take me from mascot over, and you draw man allegation pan all that sick me in a brethren. All that do a sick me that. When me hear 3 different men say, do it say man, I say, what? Do what you advertise that I tell me. I'm crazy, me go up on live, go talk so to me says, do it. You not for go up on live, go tell people that. You understand me? If me have a man, me tell him myself. You know, I go join you have man crazy, you have man, and I'm like, wow. Duh. Your med's not right. Not insecure. As general. Not insecure, as you know what? We show you love and care. When I think I show him love as my rough. My rough, you know. But I show him love and I care him, I pet him, I spoil him. Me not have no more of that more and somebody to spoil me. You understand me? Yeah, man. And me don't want no more of that. Me alright. I should do it. Take your freedom and go and deal with me respectable. They don't respect me a lot. Don't go on Instagram and go. Me not have no germs, so I don't mind germs. No frighten me about no germs. Anything happen, we not talk about germs. Me not have no germs. No pussy clean and fat. Don't disrespect me, do it. Don't go on live, go Instagram, go through no word for me. Don't say no indirect something. We are a married couple. Have some respect to say your name. Not even that. What more me for do? Not even name. I'm reminding me, I said, do remember when you meet me, you know? My life glory. Them not say nothing. All right, you know, take care. I'm a strong man, I'm good. And I say my thing official. I'm proud of myself. And that alone I make me go more. So yeah. It's like when my eye on me, I saw my eye back on you. Same for the same right now. So understand yourself. Stop compete with me and stop trying to tear me down. The last time you say you're going to make me lose. What? When you say I make me lose my fans, them, you can't make me lose my fan, them, do it. I work for this. You understand me? It's not about to tear me down. It's to take your freedom as a young man and live your life the way you want it. Your life does not include me or involve me into. You understand me? It's not to compete with me and tear me down and no, baby. Can't me not do that. I have no time for that. I love you and it no work out a cycle. Not no last cycle. I love my baby father for 22 years. I love Ziggy. I love Berika. You understand me? Mm-hmm. Husband me want, husband me get. Him like all of this because my reason with him, because remember me is a reason, you know. Doing you gotta sit down and make your marriage deteriorate before you make me start it out. No, you have to take off all married ring. You're too old, man. Yeah. Um. So you never know, say you was a man and me have feelings, and when you walk out for me, if you come talk to me as a man. You wait till when me take internet, you want to take back internet, forget evil with me? Why you can't? Yeah, I'm listening. Mm-hmm. I'm not arguing. You take your freedom. And what that's supposed to mean? If you stop calling him on the internet? It's not necessary to you, Dewey, but you can walk away and make your friend come move you out and not say nothing to me and me lower my feelings to everybody. Everybody asks me for you, and if I'd say you diss me. So you mean it not necessary? Them in a must kind of details, baby boy, because you're going to say you're bad man and you take that to heart. So if me tell you you're bad man now as your wife, yeah. All right, so I feel like you know the feeling. So what's your point are you saying to me now, dear husband, to cut the internet? Yeah, so what are your point then? Yes, I'm feel saying I'm not feeling, but when you deal with me that way, I make you move your and say I'm not like me, and I'm gonna diss my son. Are you get up and go with friend and company and I make best side? Mm-hmm. So what me if me say me should I gang or not? Should I gang? So to me say I gang them should I gang you. See you disrespect me in front of my mother and the whole of my kids. Them your friend have right to say when him see my son doing? Doing? All right, out of ignorance, but I am waiting 5 days for you to have respect to go on. I'm listening. Mm-hmm. I don't care zero about you, your son or your baby mother. I'm a class any one of them and say anything because them not like me. Because you know, respect me, Dewey, and you know, have the time to talk to me. I talk to everybody, so I talk to the world, Dewey. If you don't respect me, you tell me. So if you move out of my house and come and tell me your son come and you don't want to go back, I ain't gonna respect that yesterday morning. I say you deal with people, I see that as respect. Eh. If you ask me if you want to go back, I ain't gonna yesterday. Eh. Yeah, you say now go back, you want to send your ticket because your son come. Mm. All right, me tell her, correct it. Yeah. Yeah. To do that, right? Me never state nowhere in the argument say me no want to go back to England. I stated to you that me I extend my ticket. Yeah, you're correct. You're correct. That's what you said.
You ask me if me have money, and me say crazy, me don't know how much fee. You understand? Check it out and make me know, please.
Yeah.
You get me? Up to now, me not tell you me not want to go back to England.
But you tell me that before you come at Jamaica. You tell me that before you come at Jamaica, so you not come back. So when you call me yesterday after you run away. Okay.
Listen to me.
I am listening.
When me tell you that how much days ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
If me talk about the present now, me never state that here yesterday. Me state here say the X penny, don't it?
Yeah.
So that simple means say me I go back to England, do.
Yeah, and okay, yeah.
Alright. Now me know you don't want me at England back.
So we are there, Dewey. So you are there. You want this me move out of my house and come back to England to me, Dewey? You're mad. After you deal with me, so I don't know where you sleep or you're there. Why are you thinking, darling? So you think me can plan family holiday with you? You come and Jamaica, make your friend move you out. And I say, you know what, come back to England and tell me, just call me and tell me, say you want change tickets and just me not hear back from you and me feel like comfortable with that. That's all right, Dewey.
Crazy, let me say something to you. Don't tell me you reach out to you yesterday.
Okay.
Don't reach out to you yesterday.
Yeah.
So may I ask you a question? You know, have principle within yourself to say, dog shit, me never get to do nothing, or me never whatsoever. Don't it? Communication go both ways, though.
Dewey, husband, if you leave my yard from Sunday night with me, what I me tell my family, say them should have gang you. I mean, I hear from you, Dewey. And you called me yesterday morning, say you me for change ticket for you. Me should even answer you, do it, because I say me not answer, me answer you. How you gonna say me for call you back? I know you for call me for ask me about ticket. Do me owe you something? Me not understand you, Dewey. You need help. Baby?
Crazy.
Yeah.
Nobody never say you're obligated for calling.
So why you gonna say communication? But I mean, me and you know the on good terms. You dump me. So if you dump me, why me gonna call you back?
Crazy, listen me now.
Yeah.
Listen me now. Me never call you say yard. Me never tell you say me just cut. The reason be.
So you think you can just get up and cut out of my life every minute? So do we allow you tell Dewey? Dewey, you're not ready for this. So you just cut and expect so you go cut and come back, so? With all of the emotion when me I go through and the embarrassment with my baby father, my kids and sister, you cut against me, left me. After me stand up for you, how much in disrespect, me bring to you, cut left me, I expect you to come back to my house. Dewey, you're sick. Dewey, you need help.
Well, like you make yourself clear now, that is it. Right? I just this moment to sit here. Yeah? You see all of the details you are going on, you don't need to. You get me?
But Dewey, what me not understand about you sit all the while. Before you be a man and get your wife and sit down and start out things, you sit here run.
Me can't talk to you. Listen me now, me can't talk to you because them done in your ears already. People don't tell you say my bad mind you. You get me? Because that's not you. You get me? People tell you say me not in your pity them when you deeply know. You understand? So not if I go through the door 21 times and come in my house, I call to them. You understand? When you feel like them call to me. So when you tell me that that's not you, and them pussy them in your bumbo clot is.
So wait there, somebody tell me Queen you were so smart. So what me say?
Everything good crazy. You know, me not argue. Cause me and you never own an argument where me tell you say me not in your youth them. You understand?
Do your action. You know feel like so wait there, how come now me not see action? Do it when me there done when me call you and sit to you one side. Let me show you a reason now.
Me say to you say, me done buy the chicken already. Where you want me to do? Give the money but me buy chicken.
And what you do after that, Dwayne?
What am I for do?
You run off from me, don't it?
So wait, you live on life. You live on life for life, you hear me?
So you never know, say you live on life. You never sit alive, me depend when you call me.
Everything good.
Are you fuck up this, you sit down, and you never give me no chance and stand by me. You run up and down with chat me. Shouldn't disrespect me and you go with them and I tell me, you tell me you come back to England. So how you gonna disrespect me and you live with me? How you gonna be an enemy with me and hate me and deal with me, so Dewey? Dewey, me get a job, you don't even buy me a birthday present. You're vexing me from Christmas Day. Sting a keep. And not even congratulations, you not tell me and you come at airport and choke me, yeah. When? Before me go and sting? But the pastor, you just sing and big me up. Oh God, do you sick?
About everything else, you know, talk about
Yeah,
that.
big me up, do it. Oh, you some malice me. Wait, do
Crazy, he may say not everything good.
it. Oh, you say big me up and you not talk to me.
Listen,
Do it. I'm if you have a great show like that and you malice me and not answer me.
Listen
Yeah.
to me.
So wait, why you wait till me go on internet, go disgrace myself, you reach out to me. That's what you always do. Why you couldn't be a man, do it? And get your wife. And make this better. You move out and catch up people yard, do it. You there people yard. Ups and down. Me no want that for no husband, do it. You don't have no abiding city. You give me talk, so me take talk. Do it everything, Chris.
You get me? You must know. You listen to me, I'm talk now.
Yeah.
I don't want the life to hear me, as you say.
Yeah.